is reactivity, which is the third sub properties under the chemical properties. So reacts with carbon. So carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and also forms carbon monoxide. Carbon reacts with halogens to form halides. Carbon reacts with metals to form carbides. Now moving on to the next property, that is physical property. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic mass is approximately, that is 12.01 U. The density of the carbon, it varies with the allotropes. Different allotropes has different density. For example, diamond has 3.5 gram per centimeter cube and graphite has 2.2 gram per centimeter cube. Moving on to the melting and boiling point, carbon are challenging to define precisely because carbon do not melt under normal atmospheric pressure. So it is very difficult to melt the carbon, but what happens is instead of melting, there comes the phenomenon of sublimation. Sublimation is the process where transition of solid state to gas without passing through the intermediate liquid state. So the solid directly turns or transits to the gas state without passing through the liquid state. The boiling point of carbon is even higher than the sublimation. There is another statement which tells that carbon have low melting point and boiling point, which is generally true for carbon based, especially for simple organic molecules. So what it tells that carbon has low melting point and boiling point, which is for the main for the carbon based compounds, for the simple molecules, that is simple organic molecules. So the reasons why it has low melting point and boiling points are these are the reasons. The first is intermolecular forces, which has van der Waals forces, dipole-dipole interaction, hydrogen bonding. The second reason is energy required for phase change, that is solid to gaseous phase. The changes. Then comparative strength of forces, that is covalent bonds and ionic bonds, the forces, and intermolecular forces in carbon compounds. On to the next property, that is electrical conductivity. Graphite and graphene are good conductors of electricity, while diamond is an excellent insulator. These graphite and graphene are good conductors, whereas diamond is an excellent electrical insulator. Thermal conductivity, it depends on the allotrope of carbons. Like diamond has the highest thermal conductivity. The next is strength and hardness. Diamond is the hardest known natural material, while graphite is soft and slippery due to its layered structure. So